the threat. Is it her right to deal with the threat immediately without seeking the so-called authority? So this is the trap that the mechanism has masterminded. So in one hand, the advanced society wants people to believe that they are protected, that they can have faith in a system that is there to protect them, while on the other hand there is this the victims of mass genocide that were that didn't have anyone to protect them, such as in the case of this example, a woman who has realized what's going on her own home, and as it is common in Latin American countries who do not have faith in systems because they have been fighting those systems for generations. So is it her right to deal with the threat immediately without the so-called authority? And this is no way out, an impossibility, a labyrinth, because we have the internal and the external, in which both want order to continue, but the mechanism makes fools of them both. On the one hand, she is a hero to her children, and on the other, established disorder will never understand her reservations or dependence or liberty from a corrupt system. So the established disorder, and I'm not saying that people want it that way, or that people do not have a goodwill when they found and work in these systems. I'm just what I'm saying is that the mechanism makes fools out of all of us, and until we realize that, we will still be fighting to our own detriment. Those are a couple simple paragraphs and themes explored in my book, The Cartel of Cartels, the pyramid scheme of masqueraded mafias, or the techniques of mafia and cartel operations. So feel free to send me an email if you are interested in this book. I also have the collection of the series Hero or Parasite, 20 books, which I have available for a package price. Thank you.